G'day guys, Paul Belcher from Roberts Real Estate and welcome to my new listing at Unit 2, Number 5, Terry Circle in beautiful New Norfolk. We're in a prime location, we've got a 2-bedroom brick home, lovely large open plan living. We're on the level with 2 car spaces and we're a 5-minute drive to everything New Norfolk has to offer. Let's take a look around. We've got a fully secure yard, well-maintained garden, a garden shed, and we're close to all services New Norfolk has to offer. If you've been looking to step into the market or build the portfolio, look no further. For more information or to book an inspection, please don't hesitate to call me. I'm available 7 days a week and I'm here to help.